41.5 million French households file an income tax return. Official simulators tell them what they owe, usually when it is too late to act. TaxForward helps them decide before December 31st. It forecasts next year's tax, compares the legal choices still available, and never confuses a tax reduction with a good financial decision. Cash required, lockup, fees, liquidity, and possible capital loss remain visible beside every benefit. The current version is deliberately limited to standard households in metropolitan France. It handles the main family cases from Form 2042, but stops event years such as marriage, divorce, or the death of a spouse, instead of inventing false precision. A 4-step questionnaire collects household composition, income, financial assets, deductions, and credits. Employment expenses are calculated separately for each person from commute distance, working days, vehicle power, and energy type. PER ceilings also remain individual and can be pulled only when the couple explicitly chooses it. The figures come from a deterministic version tax engine, not from a language model. For optimization, it compares all combinations of the progressive scale and flat tax options, including the independent crypto choice, and keeps the lowest total. The assumptions, legal status, and official sources stay visible. Here is the key difference. A household can test a €2,000 qualifying Corsican investment and see a €600 gross tax reduction, but TaxForward also asks about acceptable loss and liquidity. If the household cannot tolerate capital risk or a long lockup, the app says the investment isn't suitable, even though it reduces tax. GPT-5.6 turns the verified result into a short, cautious explanation and identifies missing checks. It is forbidden to calculate tax, invent an amount, or promote a financial product. If the model is unavailable, the deterministic calculation still works. Codex helped transform 26 years of accounting and tax experience into a tested product during Build Week, researching primary sources, challenging product decisions, implementing the rule pack architecture, writing tests, and refining the complete experience. TaxForward, decide before December 31st.